Hi, this is Glenn from Hard Street. I want to talk to you guys about the Hard Street Right There saddlebag shelf set for Heritage Softail. There's a lot of features this thing has. One of the greatest things that you can have when you have this shelf is that everything that you need is right there where you need it. You have your key fob, your phone. As you're sitting on your bike, you can get to those items. It's really awesome that way. You can just reach in and you can just get whatever you need right there. Also, another neat feature of the shelf system is that when you want to go on a ride and maybe you need that space, it's very easily, there's a slide in, slide out method. You take the lock off, you slide the shelf, and that's just that easy. And when you want to put it back in, you bring this in, it slides in the groove right there. You have the shelf lock, you click it into place, push it in by the edge, it goes right in there. And that's how easily it goes, slide in, slides out. That's the Right There saddlebag shelf set.